Obviously you get a pickle aura though. Morning guys, so Amy and I are on the road this morning. That was just the bridge beeping. We're on the Gateway Bridge. We're heading out to Noosa today. I don't think you can see. It's just starting to rain. What? We picked a bad day. It's just starting to rain, but hopefully it's just an early morning thing and it'll clear up. But we're basically driving out to Noosa, out to the beach today to just get out of Brisbane and do some photo shoots, doing some stuff for YouTube for you guys and Instagram, the blog, all that good stuff. We just felt in the mood for a road trip, to be honest. So we've been on the road for just about 10 minutes. It's going to take about 2 hours to get there. Unfortunately, Brisbane, we've got, well in Queensland we've got so many beautiful beaches, but Brisbane is not that close to any surf beaches, so it's kind of either an hour and a half north or south that you have to travel. But I've got my coffee to go, which I just made at home, with my little coffee tea bags, which I'm enjoying. And yeah, we'll check in when we're there. We'll let you know when we're there. So yeah, we're going to take you along today, show you what we do, what trendy cafes and things that we find. And you'll get to find out whether or not it's still raining. So we've just arrived at Noosa. We've got the canals behind us here. We're going to go find something to eat. Yeah, head up to the main street and up towards the beaches. And it's still looking a bit cloudy, guys. Boo. Boo. But the weather is meant to clear up today, so fingers crossed that we will get some sunshine and some good beach time. There we go. Them rain clouds better go. So we've just ordered a snack. It'd be more like brunch actually. So we have Snickers bowls. So we have, I think there's peanut butter underneath there somewhere, and banana berries. And Beck has got a. So I've got a berry bowl over here, and this is very unusual for us to have acai bowls. So we're both going to be feeling high on sugar this morning, I'd say. Okay, so we're gonna officially reviewing the lunch, but yeah, we're gonna review our brunch. So where to start? I think to start at my bowl, because it promised me that it was going to be a, what is that? Veering off to the side. It promised me it was going to be a Snickers bowl, but the peanut butter was blended into the acai. So if anyone's into acai bowls, like, the peanut butter goes on top. Put the peanut butter on top where it's like going to be delicious. Once it's blended in, it's just like... Well, mine was okay, but it was like stirred through with a lot of granola, and which is fine. Like, it was a granola berry bowl. But it kind of reminded me how much I don't like granola. I like our granola, like the one that we make in our recipe ebook, the Rise and Shine ebook. That's delicious. Like, it's got the dried fig and the cardamom. Is it cardamom? Yeah, cardamom. And the spices that we have in there. But in general, I was like, I don't like this granola. Like, it tastes a bit like wood chips. Oh no. Like that kind of woody bowl of wood. But oh, we're such little complainy pants.
Yeah, we sound so like annoying, but I don't know. I think there's an art to making an acai bowl that's like really good.
Yeah,
and that was just a bit.
That was not on point, but what is on point is the weather, which is clearing up very nicely for us. So we're going to, I don't know, head to the beach, I think. So, take 2 of the beach. Look at the sky now. That's more like it. Same spot a couple of hours later. There you go. So, we are heading up to one of the more private little coves around the corner. So we'll see. It's been a while since we've been here, so we're not exactly sure how far that is to walk. But we'll let you know if we get there. What do you reckon? This way?
It would be this way.
Alright.
That's what I mean. I feel like to get to Hell's Gate, it's like a very long walk up.
Yeah, but it's not far towards it. Okay. Okay,
We found it.
We found it. We made it. Nice little cove. Cold? It's a little bit cold. Fresh. Yeah. Just come up to the canal to have a look around, and we met this little friend. Getting some sun. So we've decided we might hang around and stay the night, given that it does take a couple hours to drive home. So we're kind of like scrolling through Expedia looking like how
Some cheap accommodation.
how nasty
Can we go?
can we go. We'll pick something in the middle, but it's kind of fun looking at the last minute hotels and motels to see what we can get for the night.
The Bachelor's on tonight.
The Bachelor is on tonight.
If you're in Australia, you're probably following along with The Bachelor. Who's it going to be?
Yeah, so if you're an Aussie, we're up to the part where we're seeing if he's going to pick between Laura and Elise. We both think it's going to be Laura. It's going to be Laura.
Although after this video has gone up, it probably has already been revealed, so
Yeah.
we'll see.
We'll see if that happens. So our main requirements for accommodation is a working TV so we can watch our Bachelor tonight. And maybe a little table where we can do some work. Edit some of our photos from the beach. And we got a few more outfits to shoot, so we brought a whole bunch of stuff to shoot. And yeah, we'll show you what we come up with. So we weren't super hungry. I think it's because we had that Fat Bomb keto brownie this morning before we left. But we are going to share this little frittata. So it's got smoked salmon, avocado, I think that's horseradish cream. And the frittata is under there somewhere. This is eating gluten-free on the road, huh?
It's probably a bit of dairy in there, but
Yeah, that's okay. We're about to go and find this motel room. Apparently we have a nice room, which is a bonus. Oh, here we go. Sorry. There we go. There you go, not too bad, Amy. The size of the TV is good enough. Ooh. Got a good view, Amy. Ooh. Alrighty.
not bad.
I guess we'll see what photos and things that we've got so far, and then prepare for golden hour. Amy, we are in the room that I was looking at.
Before he left.
Yeah.
There you go.
So we're camped in the room. Might edit some
of this
footage. And then we'll head back out there a little bit later.
Alright, so just because we're away from home doesn't mean that we're gonna skip out on our plank challenge. So it is actually day 23. So we're gonna jump straight into that. So at this stage we're up to 5 sets of planks. So we're building up to a minute 30 in the third plank, and we're also doing some leg raises.
It's getting pretty intense actually, like day after day as well. My arms are so tired.
It's actually the arms now. Like, it's almost less about the abs. It's more like my arms just get achy.
Yeah, upper body is definitely struggling. But we're keeping on with it, and we only have a few more days to go really, so it's like a week left of planking. And then we're going to do like our monster plank, see how long we can go for.
So if you're following along on Instagram stories, day 23. So we have just finished our planks. I am sweating.
Super bright light here.
So that was pretty intense. My arms were killing me, but I just made it.
We made it.
Did struggle at the end.
It's a bit easier when we do it at the same time, but because you can't really cheat that much. Although sometimes Amy cheats a ton.
I'm like wiggling around at the end because my arms hurt so bad. You can probably tell because my hand is shaking, so the footage is probably a little bit shaky.
But we made it, so day 23 is down and just 6 days to go.
Woohoo!
Sun's about to go down.
Oh, I did it!
Let's get this bachelor going. Put the card in the slot. Put the card in the slot. Right down the door, right in front of you.
Oh, but this is not even a card.
Bravo. On the tiny TV. Okay. So we're about to find out who wins Bachelor. I'm pretty sure it's going to be Laura.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be Laura. Oh my god, I look like a crazy person. The glasses.
BTW guys, we've probably told you a million times and you know this, but we are sisters. So we are not a couple on this trip. And down to the crunch. Someone's going to be devastated.
Heartbroken.
Oh, just as we suspected. It's the bad music too.
Oh no, it's very solemn.
Oh, that's all we needed, Amy.
Okay, so it is the next day and we're actually just packing up to leave our little hotel room. So we're gonna go up to Hell's Gate, so it's a walk in Noosa, and there's like a gorge, so we'll take you with us there.
And then we'll get food.
Yeah, and then we'll get breakfast.
We might get food first, I'm hungry.
Goodbye room, goodbye view. This is my super cohesive outfit of the day. Okay, so we're just about to start walking, but it's flippin' cold out here. Start of spring, but still pretty chilly. Look at how blue that water is, like what?
Oh yes, that's right, that's right.
That is what I want to be doing. So, we are not too far off from the top. Oh geez, it's sunny. Okay, so we made it to the top and we're just walking back now, and I'm thinking about breakfast.
Yeah, I think we spotted somewhere yesterday, so they had good kombucha.
Oh
That
right,
Cafe
yeah.
Le Monde that's trying to be
Healthy.
now.
I'm kind of craving something with like avocado, like a savoury something.
Yeah,
So-
smoothie bowl we've done.
Been there, done that.
Been there, done that, and that's like pretty rare for us to eat a smoothie bowl. Like that's sort of just like a treat.
It's like
for
a
something
it's like a
completely
dessert for
different.
breakfast.
But yeah, normally we go for a savoury breakfast. I think that's what we'll try and find. Yeah.
So we'll check in once we find somewhere to eat. But isn't that water gorgeous? Like, what?
Hello. What do we got here?
We have some kombucha, so passion fruit and turmeric flavour. Very interesting. Never tried anything like that before.
And a black coffee. Okay, so this is a poached pear, by the way. So we've got coconut pancakes with a side of bacon. Amy's going the same. And this is coconut ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
So we had breakfast, we had the pancakes. They were okay.
They were
Oh, we sound so complainy pants again.
well, you know, I think Noosa just needs to get its food game up a little bit, but
Yeah.
no, they were fine. But we
So-
can't really complain, we're in such a beautiful location
It's
today.
not really about the food.
But I think like coming from the city where the food is a lot better, it's
a-
noticeable.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna go to another cafe now, grab us some coffee, or I'll probably have another coffee, and we'll sit down and edit this vlog and also some of the photos that we've taken.
So really just a pretty chill day today.
It's a hard life.
It's a hard life.
It's a hard life. Okay, so we have just gotten back into the car. It's pretty hot in here.
on.
And we are on the way home, so we've had a great time. We spent probably just an hour or so going through photos and things for the blog in one of the cafes, which was really nice. And yeah, it's like midday Friday. We're gonna head home and move on into the weekend. So I think we'll leave it here.
Sign off here. Alrighty.
And see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up if you want to see more vlogs like this. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye guys.